Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a fast battery draining problem on iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and you have problem battery draining fast, I'll help you how to fix this problem and how to increase your battery health. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to do some settings to fix this problem. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings, scroll it down, and guys after this you have to click on the option of display and brightness. And guys, simply you have to turn on your dark mode on your iPhone. And guys after this you need to click on the option of general. And guys now you have to click on airdrop. So guys, if you have turned on your airdrop, so simply you have to receiving off from here. And guys after doing this you need to scroll it below. And guys now you can see here is the option of background app refresh. So guys simply you have to turn it off if it is on. And guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys now you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back, and guys you need to check for update. If you are using oldest iOS version, simply you have to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing this you have to click on iPhone storage. So guys from here you need to find unused app. The apps that you are not using on your iPhone, you need to offload or delete that app from this iPhone storage. And guys at last you need to scroll it down. From here you need to find battery. And guys now you have to check your battery health. So guys if your battery health is less than 70%, then guys the main reason of this problem is your battery. So simply you have to change your iPhone's battery, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.